With the skirt block drafted, we need to add some finishing touches. First, we need to make sure that all our pattern pieces are straight, with the grain line parallel to the y-axis. Select and rotate the pattern pieces the same way we did in the previous lesson. After this, we will check grain direction. Ideally, it is still aligned to y-axis, but if it's not, we'll fix it. Select Edit Texture tool and grain lines will appear. Select grain line you want to rotate and right-click. In Menu, select from the options. You can also free rotate by clicking and dragging it. If your pattern piece is not straight, but your grain is aligned correctly, you can straighten the pattern piece according to the grain line. Right-click on the pattern and in the Rotate menu, select Reset Along Grain Direction. The pattern piece will straighten out. Next, we're going to change the names of the pattern pieces. By default, CLO generates a name for each pattern piece when it's created, and we can rename it in Property Editor anytime. Select the pattern piece with Transform Pattern tool and go to Property Editor. Here, at the very top, you will find the pattern piece name. Change it to something recognizable. The program also allows us to add annotations. Select Pattern Annotation tool and left-click once on the pattern piece. Type the annotation, then click on the pattern to finish. You can rotate the annotation by clicking on Edit Annotation tool and rotating the marquee by dragging the handle. And finally, we can add special symbols like fold or ease in. Select the Pattern Symbol tool and hover over a segment. It will highlight in blue. Click on it and a pattern symbol will be added. In Property Editor, select the type of the symbol and change its name. The appearance of the pattern names and annotations can be switched off in 2D window shortcut.